What if you could create cinematic AI videos without complicated tools or expensive subscriptions? Something has changed in filmmaking, and most people don't even realize it yet. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through Higgsfield, one of the fastest growing AI video platforms designed specifically for creators. Higgsfield lets you create AI videos from one simple platform, giving you access to powerful models like Nano Banana Pro, Kling 2.6 Audio, WAN 2.6, and more, without needing multiple tools or advanced technical skills. It also includes Cinema Studio, an end-to-end filmmaking pipeline that takes you from a carefully designed first frame all the way to a finished AI video. If you're looking for a free AI video generator or one of the cheapest AI platforms that still delivers professional results, Higgsfield is a strong option. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Higgsfield step by step so you can start creating AI videos efficiently and correctly from the beginning. Let's get started. Using the link in the description, head over to the Higgsfield AI website and sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard, where all the tools and user-created projects are clearly displayed. Everything is well organized and easy to navigate. From this dashboard, click on Cinema Studio to begin creating cinematic content. The interface is clean, simple, and very easy to work with. Cinema Studio allows you to generate both images and videos, and will start with image creation. After entering your image prompt, the next step is choosing the visual look by selecting a camera and lens. Different camera and lens combinations affect color, depth, and lighting. You'll notice that the options here are professional cinema cameras and lenses used in real films, which is why the results feel so realistic. For this example, I'm selecting the ARRI Alexa 35 paired with an ARRI Signature Prime at 50mm lens. I'll keep the image count set to 1 and choose 4K resolution for maximum clarity. With a single click on Generate, the image is created. The result has strong cinematic depth, rich colors, and a natural camera perspective. The lens adds fine detail and emotional depth, making the scene feel more lifelike and cinematic. Now let's try the same prompt using a different camera. This time, I'm choosing the Panavision Millennium DXL2 to see how the visual style changes. After generating the image, the difference is immediately noticeable. The image feels darker and more cinematic with a raw, dramatic mood. The camera captures excellent detail and atmosphere, giving the scene a grounded, film-like quality. Now let's look at one of the most powerful features in Higgsfield Cinema Studio. Sometimes you need the same shot from a different angle, or you want to explore more action within the same scene. That's exactly what the multi-shot feature is designed for. With a single click, it generates a 3x3 grid of shots. Some variations show the same scene from new camera angles, while others introduce subtle changes within the same setup. This makes it much easier to maintain character consistency and visual continuity across your project. In many cases, you'll discover a shot that works even better for your story than the original. Once you find the one you like, simply select it and upscale it to 4K. And that's it. You're done. Now let me show you how to create cinematic scene images using Nano Banana Pro, especially if you don't want to spend time choosing cameras and lenses, or you're not sure which setup works best. From the dashboard, click on Image, then select Nano Banana Pro as your model. Next, paste in your prompt. Start by specifying a 3x3 grid of cinematic scenes, then clearly describe your scene or concept. After that, choose your resolution, aspect ratio, and batch size. Make sure to select Unlimited so no credits are deducted. Once everything is set, click Generate. The system will produce a 3x3 grid of images with consistent characters and visuals, which you can use as a foundation for your cinematic video. Now click Reference on the generated image. This allows you to extract the 9 images from the grid one by one in a clean and controlled way. To do this, simply specify the position using rows and columns. For example, row 1, column 1, then row 1, column 2, and continue until all 9 images are extracted. Now, if you want, you can recreate all your extracted images with true cinematic variety, without downloading a single file. Head back to Cinema Studio, click the plus icon and select Image Generation. Add the extracted grid image, then use a simple prompt like, "Do not change anything." Next, choose your camera, lens, and focal length. Set your batch size, aspect ratio, and crank the resolution up to 4K. Once everything is set, click Generate. By repeating this process with different cameras, lenses, and focal lengths, you can recreate every extracted image with stunning cinematic variation, rich detail, realistic depth, and crystal clear quality, almost as if it were shot on a real film set with professional gear. Now it's time to turn those images into a video. Go to the Video tab, click Start Frame, and select Image Generations. Choose the images you created in Cinema Studio. You can add a simple prompt, or leave it empty. If you want dialogue or narration, you can use ChatGPT to help craft the perfect prompt. Next, select a camera movement. Zoom, orbit, drone motion, or any dynamic movement you like. Choose your aspect ratio, video length, and audio settings. Enable slow motion if you want smoother, more cinematic motion. Set the batch size and, if needed, add an end frame. This step is crucial for a clean cinematic finish. Click Generate. Repeat this process for all your images. The most important element here is movement. Experiment with different camera motions to bring each scene to life. Finally, use any video editing software to stitch everything together, and just like that, your film is complete. I hope this tutorial was helpful and easy to follow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.